So in today's video, I want to be sharing with you guys my skin routine. Not my face routine because it's not giving right now. I have a lot of dark spots, though I don't have pimples, but I'm finding it difficult, getting rid of this dark spot, but I'm going to succeed soon because I'm seeing the results already. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I use on my skin because I get a lot of compliments from people, not just my subscribers, to share the cream I use and all that. So I'm gonna be doing that today. My skin is actually getting dry because I came out of the shower like 10 minutes ago and setting up this camera made my skin dry. So I have water right here to dab on my skin so that my cream can actually get into my skin and work and not on my dry skin. So the cream I'm using at the moment is this Vitamin C from Advanced Clinicals. Yes, this is the cream I'm using at the moment. There is a backstory behind this cream. Yes, I have been looking for a cream all my life. The cream that I can use that will actually stay, that won't be hard for me to find. Yeah, so at first I got this one, this cream, XPC. Is actually, this is a very good cream. It's a very affordable cream that I've used, that I can recommend to you guys if you want to get it. It's for both dark skin and fair skin, and it's actually very affordable. I bought it 1-2 from Lagos, and then I came back to Enugu. I looked for the cream everywhere. I could not find it, so then I had to go into my detective work to look for a cream. That's when I found this one. Even though this one is actually very pricey, but I'm comfortable using it because it's very good for my skin and I can easily find it anywhere because it's a foreign cream. This is also a foreign cream, but it was actually very hard for me to find in Enugu, but I'm very sure it's everywhere in Lagos. So if you can actually see this cream, get it. It's actually a very good cream. I recommend this. It moisturizes your skin, suits your skin, makes your skin look smooth like a baby. I love it. So, but if you have money and you're light skin and you're looking for a cream that will make you, pop, not whiten you, but brightens you a little and make you pop, smooths your skin and all, get this. It retails for about, it doesn't have one price. When you go to this shop, different price, this shop, different price, but I believe you can get it from about 13,000 and above. Maybe the cheapest is 12k I've seen, but I got this one for 13,500, and I went to another shop, I found it for 15,000 something. So it's a game of where you found it and how much you got. So if you can afford it, it's a very wonderful cream for light skin girls. But this cream is for all skin and it's very nice. I wish I can find this. Maybe I'll be using the two of them together if I can still find it. Yeah, so that's the backstory behind this cream. So my happiness is that I can actually find this cream anywhere in the world. Like when I'm out, I won't be looking for cream to buy. This is not actually I use what's the name of this cream? St. Ives. So I'll put it here. I can't find the container. I bought it. I finished one, then I bought another one. Then I noticed it's a very good cream. It's a hydrating cream. It doesn't actually do anything. It's just there. If you're using it because you want to get fair, it won't happen for you because it's just a moisturizing, hydrating cream. It was good for me at the moment, but then it starts giving me, what is it called? Pigmentation on my body. Like the upper part of my body would be dark, the inner part of my body would be light. Like it was weird. So that's when I stopped using it, and then I diverted to Vaseline. Yeah, I'll still leave it here. So I diverted to Vaseline, and Vaseline actually, the Vaseline I got was not good. Maybe the shop I got is from, they sold a fake one to me. That Vaseline, not the small Vaseline, I'll show you the Vaseline I'm talking about. That Vaseline gave me what is called, maybe I'll show you guys what the Vaseline did to me here. I'll find the video and I'll put it up here because I videoed it then. I thought I was having a fungal infection on my body, not knowing that I was reacting to whatever that was inside the Vaseline. I took a lot of medicine, but then it was still there until I threw the Vaseline away. Everything disappeared. This cream, I love it so much. Like, it's not that thick, but it's thick, or not too thick, and it stays in the body. It moisturizes your body so well, because you know there's some cream you buy. When you use it, you find out that after using it, you have to still use a moisturizing product because it makes your skin dry. But this one, for some reason, doesn't make my skin dry. But if I still feel like I wanna glow, I use this oil, body glow oil. It's an organic oil. It's handmade, special, with love, and it's from Salvi Skin. It's the best oil I've used so far. See, it's almost finished. I'm managing it because I love the oil so much. So if I feel like I wanna glow, look at, I just use it on my skin. You know, for more of that glow. This is all I use on my skin, in case you guys are wondering. Unless, I believe I have a very great skin. Actually, my skin is very, very good. I'm not like, bragging, but it's just reality. I have a very great skin. So that's it for what I use on my skin. If you guys want me to show you my bath routine, the process, the soap I use, scrub and all, I will do everything for that. But this is it for this video.